An impassioned plea for a ceasefire in Westmoreland as the crime wave intensifies in the parish. It comes from one school principal who told the TVJ News that the rise in crime is worsening the learning loss in the parish. Kelisha Williams has that story.
It's been dark days in Westmoreland over the past 2 weeks. Criminals have been leaving a trail of death and destruction in the parish. Like many residents, principal of the Petersfield Primary and Infant School, Susan Rattray Hammond, has had enough. The violence is affecting her students.
When we have killings and violence in a community, we have to receive children who are highly traumatized.
She explained that many of her students are so traumatized that they're not focusing in class. It's an issue that's been plaguing schools across the parish, and teachers have had the difficult task of trying to change the students' mindset.
Too many of our children only get attention when they misbehave, and it is difficult to get parents to understand that.
Which is why she's appealing to the authorities to help quell the violence in the area and restore normality in the schools.
There's awesomeness in our children, but how are they going to realize that potential if they are living in fear? If they are going home in a community where they have to be hiding, they can't come out because gunshots are fired and things are happening around them. It breaks my heart as an educator that we cannot reach. We have excellent teams of teachers in our school, but we cannot reach our children because they are not in the space. Their frame of mind is not for learning.
Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang, who was addressing stakeholders in the parish on Friday, responded to Mrs. Rattray Hammond's concerns.
I commend you as a principal and heard your passionate commitment, and we'll have to look at how we operate all of these schools in challenge areas. You have communities we go, we spend millions of dollars, build police station, build clinic, put community center and everything. And if the school is not impacted, we'll not have change in that community. And they will have to put resources in those areas.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.